Good day, dear friends. Having Google account is almost having YouTube account. So let's find out in a few minutes how you can create your YouTube account. Now, let it be that you have logged in your email or have created your email, which is Google account before now. On the icon above here, you will see login if you have not done that before now. But now I already have an account called this TV. So I need to log in this Uniquotech, which I have not done before now. All I need to do is to click on it, which I have done. So to create a channel, I click on that logo, the U logo. Now you can see to edit, I need only to choose the name I would desire. So I'll first have to search for any name of my choice. First I'll type unique, but it's already taken. You can see. Now I'll have to add Uniquotech, which is not taken. So create channel. Boom. You are now a YouTuber. You can upload from your YouTube. You can upload shorts, reels, go live directly from here. You can also do that from your studio. So if you like this video, please share, like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Thank you very much.